Company CAD Partner presents you with the Smap3D solution for plant design. Fulfill the typical 3D plant design process chain with SolidWorks and Smap3D P&ID, Smap3D piping, and Smap3D isometric. The direct connection between these modules allows for the automatic usage of the existing attributes. Following, we will show you the benefits of the single applications. The Smap3D P&ID is an intelligent and powerful standalone application for process engineers. An intelligent knowledge database and a large standard symbol library is included. Intelligent design and plausibility checks, as well as a report generator, are also included as the base functionality of the Smap3D P&ID software. Smap3D piping provides you with the direct usage of P&ID definitions with the connected to-do list functions. You can reach the highest automation for 3D pipeline generation at work with pipe specs and Smap3D Quick Place technology. With the included Smap3D piping library, you are ready to start. Additional advanced functions are also included. Smap3D piping also supports the usage of not round profiles to generate pipelines for air ducts or cable trays. With native SolidWorks functions, you can automatically create 2D drawings with bills of materials and the correct lengths of pipe. The isometric application provides you with the automatic 2D isometric drawing creation with the assumption of all the available attributes from the 3D pipeline. The isogen as a kernel uses all this information to generate these drawings. With predefined styles, you can customize and control the display and the content of the drawings. You can choose the output format as SolidWorks DRW or DXF. When both applications are visible, you can see the direct connection between Smap3D P&ID and Smap3D piping via the to-do list function. When selecting an assigned entry in the to-do list, it is highlighted in Smap3D P&ID and in Smap3D piping simultaneously. In the Smap3D P&ID window, you will now see the creation of the new bypass pipeline on an existing vessel. The new pipeline gets unique tag number and required parameters for size and pipe spec assigned. Here you can see the connection to the available pipe specs from Smap3D piping. A 2D valve symbol should place into the pipeline. The knowledge about this valve is delivered from the included component database. The used pipe specification filters automatically the allowed content for the user. After refresh, you see the new and changed content in the Smap3D P&ID to-do list. Some of the out-of-date information you can update with the named functionality. With the transferred information, the user creates the 3D pipeline. The function showFrom2Points helps define the correct connection points on the 3D model. With the native SolidWorks 3D sketch and the included function route line, the pipeline path in 3D is drawn. The finished 3D sketch is the base of the 3D pipeline for Smap3D piping. With the to-do list function, the pipeline information from Smap3D P&ID will be assigned to the 3D pipeline path. With the one click, the Smap3D pipeline will automatically be generated. All required and allowed fittings are taken automatically from the piping library with the knowledge from the assigned pipe specification. The required valve is placed via the to-do list. The position on the pipeline is defined by the user with native SolidWorks mates. The update function brings automatically the new required counterflanges and gaskets to the placed valve. Next, the 3D pipeline will open. With this displayed content, a typical isometric drawing will be generated. During the automatic generation process, the complete 3D content and its included information are analyzed and used to create the isometric drawing for the included reports. As a result, the generated drawing in DXF format is available and can be opened in an assigned application. The Smap3D isometric drawing includes all required information to manufacture the pipeline. The same functions you have seen to generate round pipelines you can use to generate not round pipelines. The only difference is that piping uses not round components from the 3D piping library. These parts will be placed with the same technology of pipe specs and quick place methods to the drawn pipeline path. As a result, you get a not round pipeline generated. Piping design with Smap3D Plant Design as a SolidWorks partner product is time efficient, increases the quality of the process, of the design, of the resulting documents, and therefore the quality of the entire product. More videos you will find on our web pages at www.smap3d-plant-design.com.